Welcome to Map Instinct. This is a channel where you think it and you map it. So today we'll be looking at or showing you how to clip vector files. If you want to know how to clip out raster files, like the image that you're seeing on your screen right now, you can check the link in the description below on how to do that. So we clipped out the raster file of Plateau State from Nigeria, the raster file of Nigeria. This is an SRTM data of Nigeria, Shuttle Radar Topographic Mission of Nigeria. So we wanted the SRTM data of Plateau State and we ended up getting this. So if you want to know how to do this, please check the link in the description. Alright, today to clip out the vector files, we'll be following an entirely different process from the raster files that we did in the last video. So the first thing you need to do is ensure that your data are already on the mapping environment here. So we don't need this raster file, we need to uncheck this, and then you need your shapefile, that's the output file. We are also going to be clipping out Plateau State vector files of Plateau State from the main vector files of Nigeria. So let's look for the vector files that we want to use. You can check your working folder. My working folder is the C drive, Map Instinct. I'm going to check my shapefiles. Alright, we're going to clip out rivers. These are the river shapefiles of the entire country in Nigeria. We're going to clip out the rivers of Plateau State from these files. So this is Plateau State. We are going to clip out the rivers for Plateau State. So to do that, ensure that your ArcToolbox is activated. I decided to place mine here on the left side of the screen, but if yours is not here, you can simply click on this symbol here, this red box here on the menu toolbar, and then once you click on it, it's going to pop up on your screen, and then you can adjust it and place it wherever you want. Alright, to clip out our vector files, we're not going to be making use of the data management tool as we did in the raster file. We're going to be making use of the analysis tools. That's the second tool on the ArcToolbox. So once you click on it, click on the plus sign, it's going to open up other options. We're going to click on the first option which says extract, because we're extracting rivers in Plateau State from Nigeria. So you also expand this and then click on clip. We're going to double click on it, and then we can now go ahead to impute our data. Alright, the input features, we're going to be selecting the major rivers, or all the rivers in Nigeria. So we're going to select it. That will be your input features. Then your clip features will be Plateau State, because we are clipping the rivers to Plateau State. So we're going to select the Plateau State shapefile, and then the output feature class. This is where you want to store the results, the clipped features. So we're going to open up the working folder where you want to save your data. I'm going to save it here. So I'm going to call it river Plateau State. Plateau. then save. And once your parameters have been set, you can click on OK and allow it to run. Allow it to take its time. Alright, you can see it here, it's already showing that it was successful with this green tick. So how do we know if this was clipped out correctly? We need to uncheck every other item and leave out the clipped features. So we're going to uncheck the river bodies, the general river bodies, and then we can now zoom in to plateau state. You can see that the rivers in plateau state have been clipped and placed appropriately in plateau state shapefile, or the boundary of plateau state. So this is the easiest way to do this, or an easy way out to clipping out vector files. You can clip out any form of vector files, whether it is polygon file or a point file or a point feature. You can follow the same process. As far as it is a vector file, make sure you follow this process through the analysis tool for vector files, and if it is raster files, you need to follow through the data management tool. They are entirely different, so you need to ensure that you don't mistaking one for the other. So this is how to create or clip out your vector files from a general vector data. If you want more videos, please like our channel and also subscribe to our channel for more topics. We drop videos every week, so we indulge you to please do the needful and like and subscribe. See you another time. Thank you.